everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you, Smokers, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 14th to the 18th of July 2025 on Monday. Jason is shocked and worried by Nguga's return. Martha agrees to Petunia's suggestion to have Somganga's cleanse the room where Kabelo died, but Songanga demands a high fee and free hotel services on Tuesday. Jason learned from Nguga that Caesar's house hold supernatural powers which could give anyone control over a powerful energy source. Songanga helps Kabelo's brother retrieve Kabelo's spirit on Wednesday. Jason is frustrated when Thandiswa refuses to sell him Caesar's house despite offering 30% above her asking price. Meanwhile, Songanga causes chaos by turning his hotel room into a makeshift Ndumba on Thursday. Jason wants to buy Caesar's house to gain power, but he needs to stop Thandiswa from selling it to someone else. Petunia is tasked with making umqombothi for a cleansing ceremony, but she messes it up on Friday. Martha tells Jason that Virginia is bullying Caesar's house, is buying Caesar's house, and Jason makes her an offer she can't refuse. Kaise breaks up with Fanyana, leaving him devastated, and she returns home on Friday. Oh well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.